Hey everyone, today we are unboxing the Dell S2725DC. It's a 27-inch monitor featuring a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate and a built-in USB-C hub. If you spend hours writing code, managing cloud deployments or editing video tutorials, you know that the screen real estate isn't just a luxury, it's essential for your workflow. Let's find out if this is the ultimate productivity upgrade for a clean one-cable desk setup. Inside the box, we get a power cable, a user manual that is not required if you are watching this video, a sturdy stand base and riser. Assembly takes less than a minute. The base screws into the riser with a built-in thumb screw, and the wall mechanism just clicks right into the back of the monitor. No screwdriver required. Finally, we have a high-quality Type-C to Type-C cable as accessory. Now, let's connect the stand to the monitor by clipping the stand into the back of the monitor. Lift it up, place it on the desk, and we are ready to go. Let's talk about the ergonomics. First, you have a really generous height adjustment. You can easily slide it up or down to get it perfectly at eye level. Second, you can tilt, allowing you to angle the screen back or forward to fight off any harsh room glare. And finally, you can pivot the screen a full 90 degrees. But hands down, one of the coolest design choices of S2725DC is hidden pop-out quick access port. You just push it and it pops down to reveal a standard USB-A port and a 15-watt USB-C port. To get it powered up, simply route the included power cord through stand's built-in cable management slot and plug it straight into the wall to keep your setup looking completely clutter-free. Powering it on, the 27-inch QHD or 2560 by 1440 IPS panel looks fantastic. The 1500:1 contrast ratio gives it impressive depth for an IPS screen, and it covers 99% of the sRGB color space. When I am scripting and editing technical tutorials or adjusting thumbnail graphics, that color accuracy really matters. It also features built-in dual 3-watt speakers. They won't replace a dedicated studio sound system, but they are great for casual listening or quickly reviewing video audio without needing headphones. Finally, if you stare at a screen all day, eye fatigue is real. This display has a 4-star TUV eye comfort certification with hardware level low blue light reduction, protecting your eyes without giving the screen that weird yellow tint. The real surprise here is the 144Hz refresh rate. You might think high refresh rates are just for gaming. But once you scroll through thousands of lines of code, terminal logs or complex data tables at 144Hz, going back to a standard 60Hz screen feels sluggish. It makes your entire operating system feels incredibly responsive. Dell has given this an incredibly sleek, near edgeless design, which not only looks premium on the desk but makes it perfect candidate if you ever plan on running a seamless dual monitor setup. Taking a look at the back, this layout is clean and focused. In total, you have 4 main data and video ports on the rear panel. There is one HDMI 2.1 port, one display port 1.4, a standard USB Type-A port for your peripherals, and of course that powerhouse USB-C upstream port with 65 watts of power delivery. If you want to streamline your own setup, I have left a link in the description below. Let me know in the comments what monitor are you currently coding on and is it time for an upgrade. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and development tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.